If you are looking for a NordVPN coupon code, go check out the description. There, you will find our coupon codes that will help you get a massive discounts. Just go and copy one coupon code and click the link in my description. Or if you are watching this on a laptop or computer, just scan this QR code. You will be directed to the page. So here you can see the 76% discount is going on, and you get 3 months extra. I will click on Get NordVPN. My coupon code works in every plan, no matter if it's a 1-year plan or a 2-year plan, or no matter which country you are watching from. For a demo, I will show you with the value plan. I click on Get Plus. After some loading, here you can check out the final price. Check out the final price. I click on Got a Coupon Code, and I enter my coupon code and hit Apply. And after some loading, you can see that my price reduced a lot. So it's the best coupon code right now. If you need any coupon code, go check out my description. I change my coupon codes from time to time, and it's important to click my link. So go check out the link in my description.